What's up, familia? Man, we're in the month of June. Catching some pretty good rain though. You know, it's crazy, right? When it rains around this time of the year, it's not cold, right? I'll tell you guys right now, I think it's like 70 something degrees. It's not cold, so you get a little bit of you know, the humidity and stuff. As you guys can see over there, this you see some blue skies, but man, there's been lightning, and at times it's been raining really hard where it's hard to see out the windshield. Looks like it's starting to lighten up a little bit right here. But you know, I'm trucking down the 14 freeway headed southbound. But this is the weather that kind of trips me out, because it's not really during the rainy season, right? During winter, that a lot of cars start spinning out, or you know how you hear it on the radio and TV, like, hey, everybody slow down, people don't know how to drive in the rain. It's not really so much during the actual rainy season. It's more times like this, where it hasn't rained for a long time and we're in summer, and then rain starts falling, right? It's like yesterday, it was hot, it was sunny, rain was not on your mind. But then, you know, you jump in your car and then you're driving today, and orale, homie, you know, it's pouring. And in some cases, like I said, not raining, but straight pouring. And that's when at least for me, that's when I notice accidents a lot more. Not to say that I don't notice accidents during the actual rainy season, because I do. But it's when the rain like this, when it, I guess I should say something like it sneaks up on you. But, you know, you do have the June gloom, which this year, you know, I haven't seen any of the June gloom. But when it comes to rain, it doesn't happen often, but every so often you do get these showers during the summer. It's rare, but it does happen. But anyway, with that, guys, you guys be good. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ahora pues.